Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by eliminating simple causes. Power off and restart the phone to clear transient issues, then go to Settings, Display and Brightness, and record current values so you can compare. Next, enable Accessibility Zoom to inspect scaling and dead zones. This helps reveal touch or rendering problems. While doing this, take a few close-up photos of the screen at different brightness levels. These images will show color shifts or backlight bleeding that are hard to see with the eye alone. Once done with the basics, run diagnostics. Open the Apple Support app or use Settings Diagnostics to exercise touch, color, and backlight. Follow each prompt carefully. Manually display full white, full black, red, green, and blue test images to find stuck or dead pixels, and swipe across each area to confirm touch response. Make sure to try the screen with True Tone and Night Shift toggled because color management can mask or exaggerate perceived issues. Also, visually inspect the frame and connector area for physical damage. To finish, try a force restart. Press volume up, press volume down, then hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. This resolves many display hangs. If the screen still shows color shifts, unresponsive zones, or flicker, back up your data and seek Apple or an authorized repair center. Screen replacements are precise and require calibration. Make sure to update or restore iOS first, because many display problems are software-related. If you skip that, you might pay for a hardware fix you did not need.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.